Hi everyone and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be crocheting this very tiny heart. And don't forget to check the links in the description for other crochet heart videos because this is actually the smallest one I have, so if you'd like a larger one you could just find it down there. To get started, grab your size F or 5 crochet hook and some medium size 4 weight yarn. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with a magic circle, and if you're not sure how to do that, just check the description because I have a tutorial there. And inside this magic circle we're going to place 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and go ahead and tighten up your tail when you're done. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. So what we're going to do next is place 2 double crochets in this first stitch. 1, 2, then we're going to place a slip stitch in the second stitch, and then 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. And now what you're going to want to do is place 3 double crochets in this first stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to want to slip stitch into this next stitch. And then you're going to skip the third stitch, which is that tiny little slip stitch there, and we're going to slip stitch right into the next stitch, which is the fourth stitch. And then you're going to place 3 double crochets in this last stitch. So to finish this off, what you're going to want to do is place 1 single crochet in that same stitch, and then you're going to want to place a slip stitch down the side here, maybe 2 slip stitches, 1 and 2, and then go ahead and tie off your yarn. So once you have your yarn tied off, I like to take this tail that's on the side and sort of tuck it into the back until I get to the center here. So now I have my tail tucked into the back here. And you are done. You've made your tiny little heart. Don't forget to check the description for links to my other crochet heart videos. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.